Well, hello everyone. My name is Chandler South, broker owner of Florida Life Team Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Today we're down in Lakewood Ranch looking at the Pemberly by Dreamfinder Homes. Let's go inside and take a look. This one's going to be 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and about 2,600 square feet under air. Let's go inside and take a look. So walking up, the first thing I notice is a beautiful front porch. Absolutely love this. You do have a single entry front door. Let's go inside and look. So walking in, oh wow. So it looks like you do have a beautiful large living room right in the front. Going over to the right, you are going to have your dining space. And then of course right towards the back, you do have your beautiful chef kitchen. Absolutely love the huge island, gray cabinets, and this is a gas community, so you do have your gas range. Again, turning around for you guys. Another view of the living, dining, and of course your kitchen right in the front. Okay guys, let's turn around. So walking back this way, you are going to have your owner bedroom on the first floor. King size bed for size reference, so definitely plenty of space in here. Nice large walk-in closet. And then of course you do have a nice ensuite bathroom, double vanities, quartz countertops, and a walk-in tiled shower. Turning around. You do have a nice large pantry for your kitchen. And you do have more storage underneath the staircase, which is really nice. Let's walk towards the back. You do have a half bathroom for your guest. Your laundry. Little landing area. And then of course this will go out to your 2-car garage. So one thing I like about these particular floor plans, your garages are in the back, which is really nice. Okay guys, let's go back towards the front and let's go upstairs. So walking upstairs. So all your guest bedrooms will be on the second floor. So here we are on the second floor. Here's our loft space on the second floor. Here's our guest bathroom. Again, double vanities, gray countertops. Guest bedroom number 1 on the second floor. Get a nice size bedroom. Looks like we have a queen size bed for size reference. And you do have a walk-in closet on this one. Let's go over to the next bedroom. So here's our second guest bedroom. This one's going to have 2 twin beds in it. Definitely nice size space again. And let's take a look at the closet. And there's your closet space right over here. And then here's our last guest bedroom. Again, looks like a full-size bed for size reference. And then you also have a little walk-in closet right over here. And like I mentioned, all these guest bedrooms will share this beautiful guest bathroom right on the second floor. Okay guys, let's go back downstairs. We're going to end our tour in the front of the home. If you know anyone looking to move to Lakewood Ranch or the Sarasota area, definitely give me a call at 941-303-9575. Let's go back towards the front.